In this video, I'm going to be showing you a site that functions almost like YouTube, which you can upload your videos and you make money online. The same videos that you upload on YouTube, you can still upload the videos on this particular site and you make money with your videos. And the amazing thing about this site is that you don't need to have 1,000 followers like the case of YouTube and 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. On this side, all you need to do is just to create an account. You create your channel and you start uploading your videos. And as you upload your videos, they get monetized immediately, which you can start making money. All you need to do is to create valuable content, and you also search keywords that are searchable across the site. Remember that the internet is all about relevant keywords. Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share relevant information on different ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an app which you can make money. The same videos that you upload on YouTube, you can upload that same videos on this site and you make money. And with just a minimum of $50, you can go ahead and cash out your money using PayPal or your bank account. I'm going to be sharing with you the step-by-step guide on how to do this, to register for an account, create a channel, and you begin to upload videos. I'm going to walk you through the entire site. It should be noted that this site is favorable for new creators. If you are a new creator and you upload videos to YouTube and you are still finding it difficult to monetize your account because you need to meet the threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to be monetized on YouTube, you can take the opportunity to sign up for an account and create a channel with this site that I'm going to be sharing with you, and you begin to make money online. And even if you are a big creator, all you need to do is that the same videos that you upload on YouTube, you can still upload the same videos on this site, which I'm going to be sharing with you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on that red subscribe button below this video, and also smash the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see, this is the app here known as Rumble. You can get here by typing rumble.com on your browser and it will lead you here. And as you can see, the interface is exactly like the YouTube interface, where you have different videos on the home page. As you can see here, it is like a desktop site of the YouTube app, which you can go ahead and sign up for an account. You create an account and you create, which I'm going to show you right away. So come over here and you click on sign up to start by signing up for an account. Then after signing up for an account, you go ahead to create a Rumble channel where you will be uploading your videos. When you click on sign up, it will lead you to this registration section. So here you enter your name, you enter your username, your password, your email address, your country, your year of birth, your day of birth. Then here, please enter my referral code here. As you can see, enter my referral code here. Then you enter the address of your city, your phone number, and you agree to Rumble terms and conditions by ticking on this box right here. So tick this box and you click on register. After doing so, it's going to lead you to this section where they say, congratulations, you have successfully registered a Rumble creator account. You are a registered Rumble creator. So now you are going to go ahead to verify the account by going over to your Gmail here. Then you are going to click on this link here in order to activate your account. When you click on the link, they say your account has been successfully verified. So here you have created your account, but we still need to go ahead and create our channel. Come over here, you click on this logo, then you click on account overview. So this is the section where you will be seeing all your earnings, everything that you earn from your videos that you upload on Rumble. You see the balance here. Scroll down to the bottom of your page and create your channel straight away. Then this is channels here. Under channels, you create a channel. As you can see, when you click on it, they say you should enter your channel details. So my channel name is Earn Money with Emanuela. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it on the section of the username or the title and whatever. So here we have the section for, this is my channel name, Earn Money with Emanuela. Then as you can see here, you can upload your thumbnail and a backsplash, which is like a channel banner, which you can do that later. You can see the different dimensions beside it, which you can use Canva to create all these, as you can see. So you can go ahead and create your channel using any name of any type. Then you enter your Instagram, Facebook, or anything details and you click create channel. As you can see, the channel is processing. So as you can see, our channel is created right away, as you can see here. So you can click on manage your channel right here, and they say please upload some videos first. So we are just going to go ahead to start uploading videos to our channel, which you need to just click on the plus sign right here and you click on upload video, or even to your phone where you are uploading the video, where to select the video. Then you click on select video to upload right here. Then I'm going over to my desktop. This is the video that I want to upload here. Then I click on open. So the video is going to take some time to upload, and they say, as you can see here, the maximum size of a video is 15 gigabytes. The maximum should be 15 gigabytes for you to upload. So you come over here and you enter your video title, your description, and you enter any information concerning the video that you are uploading. The same with YouTube. When you are uploading a video on YouTube, you can go ahead to put in the title, the description, the tags, and everything. So right here, I'm just going to enter the video description, as you can see right here. So the video has uploaded. On the category, I'm going to select finance. For this, you can just allow. Then with tags are optional. If you like to put in tags, you put in, but it is important. Then it should be public so that anyone can see the video. So here you need to check on the licensing of the video. Here, if you select this one, this video management, it means that you will not be having any rights over this video again. Just click on this other one. They say the exception of YouTube, which is specifically excluded. You are seeking Rumble. Then for this one, if you want your video to be only on Rumble, you are going to click this one, which is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to select this one. The video should be only on Rumble. Then with personal use, this is when you don't want this video to be seen by anybody. You don't want it to be monetized and so on. So in my own case, I'm just going to leave Rumble only, since I have these same videos on YouTube and I don't want to give the rights of my videos to Rumble. But if you select the first option here on your list, you will make more money, but you will not have to upload the video again elsewhere, because the video will be owned by Rumble. So go ahead and you accept the terms and conditions. Then you click on submit. When you submit right here, as you can see, This is the video right here. And if you go back to your channel, you are going to see this is the video here, which is being processing. This is the first video that I have uploaded on this channel. And remember that when you upload a video, the video get monetized immediately. After few minutes of processing, the video will be monetized. Unlike YouTube, you need to meet some requirements for you to be monetized. As you can see, I have uploaded many videos. See, this one is monetized, this one is monetized. As you can see, this other one is monetized. Then this one is still in the processing, which will later be monetized. So as I begin to get views on this video, I will be paid for that. And as you can see right here, you can see the earning statistics. But since it is still a new channel that I just created to illustrate for this video, you can see here we still have 0 right here, which anytime if you make money on this account up to $50, you can go ahead and you cash out using PayPal or your bank account. As you can see, they pay you between 30 and 60 days. If you have reached the minimum withdrawal of $50, you can go ahead and cash out using PayPal and or using your bank account. So this is how you can create a Rumble channel and you begin to upload your videos and make money online. I hope you find value in this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for more content like this, and share this video with your friends and loved ones.